To cancel your Showmax subscription on an iPhone, simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your iPhone settings. Then inside iPhone settings, at the top of the settings menu, tap on your Apple ID, your name or your profile picture option available there. Then you'll be navigated to the Apple ID settings. Now once inside the Apple ID settings, scroll down and tap on the subscriptions. You will be redirected to a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. Now, just to let you know that I don't have any subscription option available on my iPhone, but if you have any, then you can see the list of options available here. From there, tap Showmax, then select cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation message and your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.